What's this? What's this? Now the jigsaw puzzle. What's this? That's the reason whole anatomical understanding is totally different than a smaller tiny part endoscopic view. So you need to be more precise because you are not going to look at the whole structure. You are much nearer to that structure, you need to identify that structure. That is the reason we need to understand the endoscopic anatomy. Now look, if you got this, it's a turbinate. It's a cord. So you are looking at the object when object is very near and with the limited field of vision. So anatomical orientation is totally different, and even anatomical orientation will change with the change of position of the scope also. If you rotate the scope, anatomical orientation changes. That you need to acquire. That skill is acquired before proceeding for any type of endoscopy, not fiber optic bronchoscopy or intubation. And you need to have a complete idea of cross-sectional area of different regions of the naso-oropharyngeal or tracheal airway. You need to have a complete cross-sections, vertical cross-sections, anatomical understanding of this area, up to oropharynx, at the level of epiglottis and trachea. So endoscopic anatomical understanding is required for proper orientation of vision, of view during the endoscopy. It's also required to roughly assess the different distances and identification of different angles and directions. So start with the nasal cavity orientation. If you make a cut section like this, how it looks like. Just identify, and most of the people get confused or get lost in the nasal passage also. Once they are in the oropharynx and once they identify the epiglottis, they are at ease. The most of the people who are doing the nasoendoscopy get lost during the nasal passage also. Just identify this anatomy. First, what is this? Which is right nostril or left nostril? Patient is in head, you are doing from or you are doing from head end. How will you identify? How will you judge? That is most important thing. Can anyone identify this? Right or left? In front, you are doing in front or from the back end of the patient, head end of the patient? Sure? Let's look at another video. This one is? Sure? Right, left, up, down, head end, front end, confused. So my job is to give clarity about this. How to identify the structure, nasal structure, and which side you are passing. You should be able to identify this thing. So if you look at the cut sections of face and patient is just in front of us, we are not doing from the head end. So this is right side, this is left side, this is eyes and this is oral cavity.